The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is a trusted solution for industries like chemical processing, oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, electronics manufacturing, nuclear energy, and aerospace engineering. Today, let's dive into its role in the aerospace sector. In aerospace engineering, where safety and performance are non-negotiable, the TATE welding machine delivers precise, durable welds for critical components like fuel lines, hydraulic systems, and coolant pipelines. These systems demand flawless connections to handle extreme temperatures and pressures. The TATE machine's advanced technology produces leak-proof welds, ensuring reliable performance in harsh operating conditions. Its ability to handle diverse materials, including high-strength alloys and stainless steel, makes it indispensable for aerospace applications. Additionally, its automated orbital welding system reduces production time and minimizes human error, enhancing efficiency in high-precision projects. As the original equipment manufacturer, we provide tailored OEM and ODM solutions for aerospace engineering needs. Subscribe to our channel or email us at info@oktate.com to explore how the TATE machine supports cutting-edge aerospace technologies.